Divas. This is my granddaughter's advent calendar that I am putting together. Now there are some long boxes that I need to fill with something different than what I've got here, but she wanted unicorns. So what I got her from Temu was squishy unicorns. And there's like 2 of every kind here. And I'm going to put them together as like 2 of a kind. One of these things is not like the other. And I think, yeah, I mean, they're not exactly alike. Nope, that one has a different, that one has a sleepy face. That one has a wide awake face. Alright. She can share them. I thought maybe she could share them with her friends. Then I got a different box full that are more like 3D figures. And there are number 24 of these kind too. Aren't they adorable? Look how cute they are. Little unicorns. So I have those as well. I'm going to take them all out and see if I can match those up. And what I'm going to do is put one of each in the days and mix them up into pairs. Now, on the longish days, I'm going to put in like candy or something. Something different. They're so cute. I'm going to show you. I'll show you them. I will. I'll show you them here. Hang on a second. Okay, so I have 2 like this one. They're cute. They're so cute. 2 of those guys. There's 2 of these ones. They look like little hippos. This one. Kind of cute though. No, one has a rainbow hair and one has just pink hair. I want to make sure that these, yeah, those other ones did. These 2 are alike. They're so cute. I love getting ready for Christmas. I really do. Whoops. Makes me so excited. And these are 2 like the first ones. One laying down. These are 2 like the other ones, but they have the pink hair. I'm just going to have to like give a couple to the kids at the kids club, I think, because she's not going to want them all the same. I wouldn't. It's overwhelming me here. So let me see how I should put them together, huh? Alright, so she would only, you know, like, okay, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then take one of each of these away. Okay. I'll go with the kids. And then one of each of these away. So that it doesn't be too redundant. Do this. How do I work this out? Number 1, half the time they'll get one of these, and half the time they'll get one of those. I just need to write down the ones that aren't fillable here. Let's set this up. Oops, nope, this way. Right? 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 12, right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and then I'd have 4 extra. 20 and 4 could be candy. So I need to define what 4 would be candy. I have candy lollipops upstairs. That would be perfect. These are Pennsylvania Dutch barley sugar candy lollipops. Okay. They're so sweet. So nice. Let's see. I could do 4. One of them's a horse. Okay, let me see. I could do one of them. Different color. What is that? Oh, that's a dog. That is a cat. This one is a windmill. Ooh, blue swan. That's nice. And I gave her one yellow already. That's a rabbit. I could only get 2 of them in there, so... Alright. The bird and the cat, maybe? This is too fat for the thing, I think. The bird and the cat. That's 2, so I need to fill 2 long boxes yet. I can fill them with other candy, maybe. And I'll have to write down which ones they are. So, let's do this. Let's give her a fancy little unicorn hair first. Okay, here's your fancy bear. Have it to the pieces here. I'll have to write down what boxes to put them in. So we'll just take one of the squishy ones. Okay. 3, 4. 5. 6, 7, 8 is a bigger one. 8 is a real big one. 9, 10. Where's 10? Here it is. 10. 11 has a lollipop in it. 11's gonna have a lollipop in it. 12. 13. Oop. That one was kind of busted. 14. 15. 16. Oh no, actually, let's do these because the next one is going to be flatter. $17. 18 is teeny tiny. 18 is teeny tiny. 18 right here. These are the extra candies that I was given. Peppermints. 18, 19. 20. 22 is a big one that I need to fill. Oh, and it's got a 25 on it too. Well, this is 25. I need a 22 and a 23. Where's 24? Because this will be 24 and this will be 25. Okay, so I need to fill 2 more of these. And that's that. So, I'll either fill them with candy or, I don't know. We shall see. This is fun. I like making surprises for others. Definitely. Definitely. Gotta get ready for something else tomorrow before I go to work today, so later, divas. Okay, let's finish Crystal's advent calendar. I have a few goodies that her mom sent that can be put in some of the little boxes. I only had 2 remaining, but she gave me 3 goodies. So let's move them around a little bit because they're a bit really consistent. So let me see. Let me bring it in a little bit. So where would these fun things fit? I'm not sure this one will fit in any of the boxes. So this one I probably have to give back to her. I don't think it will fit in any of the boxes, to be honest. Let's see if it fits in 22. But I don't think so, because it's bigger. Just to be sure. I also had 2 chocolate. Yeah, no. No. They're always going to be this wide, so it's always going to be a bit difficult. I had 2 chocolate advent calendars that I'm going to give to the kids as well. Let's see. This is squishy, so whatever I do, it can fit in. But I'd rather put that in like one of the bigger boxes and trade out for that. This one would fit for sure. And why don't I put that in 22 then? And trade out another one. Let me see, I have some paper. They're cute. It's like a little hand sanitizer thingy. Very nice. So, here we go. That will be her 22. 23 is also empty, but let's trade for something that this would go in, like maybe number 9. Yeah, number 9. Let's go for number 9. I can easily trade for that. So there's this like stuffing in it. Okay. And the fun thing about these things is if you go to a little place like Claire's or even Walmart, and we have this little farmer's market called Q-Mart around here where you can find all these fun things. Quakertown Farmer's Market, that sometimes we find all these fun things there as well. Okay, that fit. And I'm sorry you're hearing some of the traffic noises outside. As always, I apologize for that, but not much I can do about the traffic. About the traffic. Alright, so here we go. Here's this stuffed in there. And hers, I believe hers is done. Let me see. Let me just double, triple check to see if I can't get it in. No, unfortunately, I can't. I can't get this in anything. It's a bit too big. But my daughter is ready to give them out, so cool. Just to remind you, I'm going to bring you out just a second, just to remind you from my family, my granddaughter wants some diamond painting. She asked me yesterday, she wanted to do some more diamond painting. So I have those snowflakes that I showed you in another video. So I'm going to give her these to do. There are like 6 snowflakes in there. They're all crystal. And if she just uses the chain and not the clips, they're not keychains. They can be used as ornaments. And I told her I would dip them in the polyacrylic when she's done with them so that they preserve them for her. So this is crystals. I'll put this in the box even though it's just got a slight rip in it. The outer box has a slight rip from the other year here. Me taking it out. Get in there. If you remember last year, this was the box with the craft items in it. And why isn't it going in? There we go. There we go. Are we getting stuck on something again? No, here we go. Okay, so this is for Crystal, and I don't care what happens to the box after this. This is for her, and this is for my daughter because she loves rubber duckies. 2 days of surprise, 24 days of surprises, rubber duckies. Here are the chocolate calendars that I picked up from Temu, and then the one for my grandson, and he's into the Funko Pop superhero ones, so this is his Marvel superhero Funko Pop. So I'm so excited because it's like, oh my gosh, it's like the beginning of Christmas here. So I have to get my mom's done. I am waiting on a special dollhouse lady to sell me a few of her pieces that are big enough to put in the bigger boxes. So I'm waiting for that. But then I'll get mom's finished, but I'll do a separate video on all hers. So that'll be separate for the dollhouse. I can't wait. Alright, thanks for joining me. Don't forget, unboxings start December 1st, which will be, you've seen most of December 1st if you've watched the unboxings of the particular calendars, but I'll do a day 1 unboxing anyway of all the goodies, and then day 2, day 3, on and on every day, I'm going to do a daily unboxing. It will be pre-recorded so that you can watch it anytime you want to during that day. And please leave your comments on each of the ones below. If you are interested in an experience of creating some deep breathing, some moments of peace and tranquility in the midst of all your hectic holiday prep, please join me. Find the video on here that leads you over to Drawing Nearer, our other channel, and our prayer and creative experience for Advent Angels. Alright, have a wonderful holiday, and I look forward to spending more of the holiday with you. Bye, Divas!